Good morning, students. Welcome back online classes. Myself Rajesh Yadav from NVG AVM School, Geetapuram. Now, class 11th, subject Political Science, book 1st, chapter 2, Rights in the Indian Constitution. Students, today I will describe you about the right to freedom, which are explained in the Article 19 of the Constitution. What are the freedoms included in right to freedom in Article 19? Students, freedom is a cluster of right to freedom is a cluster of 6 freedoms. The right to freedom is a cluster of 6 freedoms. Right to freedom in Article 19 guarantees the following 6 freedoms to all its citizens. To all its citizens, first, freedom of speech and expression. Second, freedom to assemble peacefully and without arm. And third, freedom to form associations or unions. Next, fourth, freedom to move freely throughout the territory of India. Fifth, freedom to reside and settle in any part of India. And students, last, freedom to practice any profession or to carry on any occupation, trade or business. These 6 freedoms are called right to freedom, a cluster of 6 freedoms. Students, in Article 19, some reasonable restrictions are also imposed for the right to freedom. Freedom included in Article 19 are subjected to the following restrictions. These are, listen, Parliament is competent to put restrictions upon them to safeguard the sovereignty, integrity and security of the country. And students, Parliament is to put restrictions upon them to maintain friendly relations with foreign countries. And students, Parliament can curb these freedoms when these become a threat to public system, civility and morality, honor of court and peace of the country. And in Article 19, these restrictions also included, state can put restrictions upon the freedom in view of public interest and welfare different tribes. Okay, thank you.